The cost of video production can be broken down into three areas: pre-production, production, and post-production. The pre-production process is the script writing, visual design, and storyboards. To determine the cost of pre-production, several questions need to be answered. What are the goals and objectives of the script? Bullet points are a great start for that. How long is the video? How many locations or scenes? The longer the video, the more scenes, the higher the cost. If your video is an interview concept, how many people are being interviewed and how many questions are being asked? Will cover shots be needed? Cover shots or B-roll are images that cover the on-camera talent. Some of our clients will have a director, writer, and producer involved in the script and design process because they understand it's what we do every day, and the more brains involved, the better the finished product.
Dolly, action.
This costs a bit more, but it's priceless once the production begins. One cost-saving Spectrum offers in the pre-production process is to include a director or writer to review the client's written script as it moves into the final stages. This way it's more of a script consultation rather than a full script and design fee. The production process is ready when the script and design is finished or an outline has been completed. Let's move into the production phase a little closer. How much time, labor, and equipment is needed? Let's talk labor first. There are camera operators, audio engineers, lighting technicians, a teleprompter operator, makeup artist, and a wardrobe, etc. In the world of professional production, crew members can range from $35 to $75 an hour. Spectrum usually falls in the middle. Generally, there's a 5-hour minimum for a half day, 10-hour for a full day. We call this port to port instead of a 4 or an 8-hour day. This allows time to load the gear in and out and allows time for meals. Keep in mind, this is for a professional equipment package: camera, tripod, monitor, audio, lights, grip equipment, wheeled cart, etc. Directors and producers, writers range from $50 to $100 per hour in my world. I've seen prices exceed these at times depending on the project and the person. How much crew is needed? Is this a one-man band or a team? This is defined by the budget and how fast and efficient you want the production process to go. When there are several scenes that need to be shot in different areas and locations, it's best to have one person per job to set and reset the different scenes. On bigger jobs, you'll have a producer director, a script writer to make content changes, a camera operator, specialized camera operators if you have track and dolly, steady cams, jibs, drones, camera cranes, etc. These type of shots add extraordinarily high value to the production and draws the viewer in and holds their attention. On larger shoots, crew members include camera assistants to change lenses and pull focus, a digital imaging technician to manage data and set up client monitoring stations, audio engineer, lighting, director, gaffer, grip, production assistant, makeup artist. Crew size all depends on your budget and how awesome you want the look and feel. Next, how much does the equipment cost? Our camera packages range from $250 to $2,500 a day. The type of camera depends on what you're shooting and the look and feel you want to achieve. Audio packages range from $150 to $1,000 a day. The more microphones, the higher the cost. Lighting packages range from $50 to $5,000 a day. Do you want a small light kit or do you want a grip truck loaded with lighting gear? Webcasting starts at about $1,000 a day and up, depending on the number of cameras and viewers. Now let's tackle post-production. This breaks down into a few different elements. Is the editing content cutting like a talking head, an interview, or a voiceover with B-roll? Will you need simple graphics overlaid like you might see on the local news? Or is this a complex multi-layered composite with flying text or modified graphics with movement or motion tracking? Is this a 3D animation where modeling and textures need to be built from scratch? Do you want it to look photorealistic or like a cartoon? Recently, I've noticed several graphic templates on the market to help the customer with the look and feel they'd like to achieve, but I found it takes a professional to modify the composition to the customer's needs. I've also noticed a trend in 2D animation. I call it flying clip art. This software is very effective for international needs because of the simplified images, environments, and characters. At times, we integrate a few different software programs together to get the desired results. These services generally range from $125 to $250 an hour. This should help you understand the video production cost and processes. Click on our subscribe button and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Feel free to engage us with questions. I'll have more to come with the specifics of the production process in the future.